chimwe chinhu chatanga tisinganyatsi kuziva chinotaurwa mubhaibheri. Ndiverengerawo 1 John 4 verse 20 to 21.
Okay. Whoever claims to love God yet hates a brother or a sister is a liar.
Yeah.
For whoever does not love their brother and sister whom they have seen cannot love God whom they have not seen.
Yeah.
And he has given us this command. Anyone who loves God must also love their brother and sister.
Wow.
Yeah.
So profound, and it seems most of us were very guilty of this. And sometimes we do not love our brother or sister not knowingly. And I don't think it's referring only to a blood sister or a blood brother, but to all those who we know, whom we meet, who are close to us, who we work with. They're all our brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
What are the little things that we do which we end up not loving our brothers and sisters?
I mean, for me, if I go to church, I run around, I do all activities that needs to be done there. But I don't think I've ever done the same with my brothers and sisters. So in some way you think when you do it in the house of God, you are doing something great. But God is saying it has to start with your brother and your sister, your neighbor. Yeah.
Someone that you know.
Yeah.
So sometimes unconsciously, we find ourselves competing with the people that we must love, which will bring hatred and take the love out of us. Instead of congratulating them, being happy for them, helping where we can help, we end up doing the wrong things.
Yeah.
May God help us to love one another.
Thank you.
And to wish each other the best at all times.
Profound.
And we are all found guilty of this.
Yeah.
Have a blessed Sunday, everyone.
Profound way.
Thank you.